Today our day starts with the cute animals. I think we've got a hen and a rooster over there. Someone wants to say hello. Hello. There's a goat coming over. They're so free. I love the fact that they're so free. And surprisingly, whether they venture around the grounds, they don't venture out onto the main roads. They know their territory. Now, where's that lovely, huge pig? The goat thinks I've got some food.
Anywhere. So simply go to ford.co.uk, choose a car, and book a test drive in a matter of seconds today. Search Ford, book a test drive. Ford. Bring on tomorrow.
Whether it's shiny, new, old, tarnished, tangled, dusty, or even broken, we love to value and buy your unwanted, unloved, values, gold, jewelry, platinum, palladium, and silver. To find out more, text gold to 76777 or visit Text Gold. All postal valuations are.
There he is. Oh, there she is. She's just relaxing and grunting. Sleeping. Okay guys, so we're walking back up the country lane and I'm going to take you to one of the secret places that I like to chill out. Look at that. And we're going to walk along the decking. And I've got lakes on both sides. Look at that. You can even see the reflection of the sky. It's beautiful. And at night these lights comes on and it's just magical. It takes on a new ambiance. Lovely decking areas. Look at this. You could be seated here. There's chairs for seating all around. Look at that. The beautiful British countryside. So guys, this is Bedworth. We are in Bedworth. Clear skies, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to walk across to my seating area. This seating area is there, as you can see. Look at that. There's already 2 chairs waiting for me. And you can put one chair in front of the other, stretch your legs out, watch the sunset, or watch the ducks skimming across the lake, because they do skim across the lake and chase each other. They're very playful. Spending time with the animals, spending time with the plants and the trees. Being at one with nature, that's my thing. Guys, we're getting close to spring or summer. Can you see the sun's reflection on the lake? And if I was to point the camera upwards, wow, wow. See what I'm talking about? minding where you're stepping. All of this living vegetation, and that's some stinging nettles over there. And as you know, those who go foraging can make some nettle soup. So you can see the sun glistening on the lake, and you can see the floaty feathers and leaves that I was mentioning about the terrain constantly changing, and how nature never appears to be standing still, not even for a moment. There's always something flying in the air, in the field, or in the depths of this beautiful shimmering lake. There's some kind of a field up there that's a hill. Let me see if I can zoom in. There, right at the top. Okay, there's some form of a match going on. You can hear it in the background in the distance. You see the lovely different patterns that the leaves are making on the water. I admire nature's geometric patterns. Sometimes it's the simple things in life that gets me going. It doesn't take much to have moments of gratitude. Mother Nature is beautiful. So I figured out what that rainbow button does. Well, I sort of gathered it's mood lighting. However, I weren't sure whether it's indoors, outdoors, etc., because there's such a lot of buttons for the various gadgets. But it is mood lighting, and you can change the colors by using the rainbow switch right there. Let me step back and see if you can see it a lot better. Yeah. As you can see, this room is full of character and features beyond belief. Au naturel, entwined with the modern. All the mod cons are here. Yeah, so we finally figured it out. Oh yes, and the floating bed, the lights that come on at the bottom. Let me go around this side and see. You get the gist. Okay. I'm about to have some fun with Alexa and play a few games. Alexa, open Deal or No Deal.
Deal or No Deal is brought to you by Yak Yak Games.
Yak Yak Games. Say it, play it.
Welcome to Deal or No Deal.
The sky at night in the British countryside is absolutely flawless. you can see so many stars, which you don't normally get to see in London. I usually go for an evening stroll. It's quite dark at the moment, but this is what I like about the countryside. If we were in London, the street lamps would have come on already. Okay, so I'm off to my little secret spot. Oh dear. There's so many hidden gems where you can enjoy nature in solitude and serenity. But this is lovely. I like the light trail, and I love